welcome back to the quick tech tutorial. Today for this video of quick tech I will be showing you how to unsend message on Messenger. Now to begin the process, open the Messenger application. Once you open the Messenger application, you tap upon that person's profile or the chat section to which you want to unsend the message. Tap upon that. So here I'm just gonna send a message right now. As you can see, I have just sent a text message. Now I want to unsend this text message. To do that, all you have to do is tap and hold that message for a few seconds and you will have all these options pop out. From all these options, you tap on more on the bottom right corner, tap that, and there you will have the option of bump and remove. You tap on remove. So there's two options after that. You can unsend the message or you can only remove the message for yourself from the chat conversation. If you tap on remove for you, only you will be removing that message from your chat section, but the person on the other side will be able to see it. But if you tap on unsend, the message will be removed from both ends. That is, that message will be removed from your chat conversation and also to that receiving person's chat conversation. That means he or she will no longer be able to view that message anymore. So this is how you can unsend message on Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech Tutorial YouTube channel. Thank you.